So I thought I'd share with you today sort of a public service announcement. We found that a number of our clients in the past and present have used screens on their dryer vent terminations or the vent covers. So you might wonder, what do I mean by a screen? So let me show you an example here. This was a vent that was improperly installed on a dryer termination. This is actually made for either a bathroom vent or maybe a stove vent, an oven vent in their house, right? If you see the back of it, you can see what's going on here. Not only are these veins kind of thick, you see them there, there's also a screen. And what the screen does is it blocks the lint. You can see a little bit of the lint still in there that we had picked out when we removed this dryer vent cover that was used improperly. So the screen is not a good idea at all because it holds all that lint back. So this was improperly placed by either a homeowner or a builder or a contractor at some point in the home's life. Now, in this picture, you can see another issue with screens on your vents. In this example here, either the homeowner or contractor placed a screen on the end of their vent, and you can see where they screwed or riveted it in place in order to keep a squirrel or birds out of their dryer vent because it was close to the ground. So what happens though, why screens are so bad, is that screens can catch the lint. In a best case scenario, it makes the drying process take longer when there's a lot of lint in the dryer. And in a worst case scenario, it can make your dryer work harder, causing parts to be replaced sooner. And absolute worst, it could cause a fire, of course, in the home. We want to avoid all that, of course. So it's actually, in fact, not up to code to use a screen. Notice this picture of the wording from the International Residential Code, section M1502.3, which says in part, screens shall not be installed at the duct termination. So it's definitely against code to have a dryer or have a screen on your dryer vent cover or termination. So you might be left thinking, what can I do? I want to keep these squirrels or birds out of my dryer vent, because if one gets in my dryer vent, it could get asphyxiated, it could die inside there. Now I've got a problem maybe with the odor from decay as well as retrieving that dead animal out of my dryer vent. So what can I do? Well, one solution to this is our dryer wall vent product that we carry. So if you notice this product, it has a very slight magnetic catch to it, so it can easily open and close. So even that action there, when the dryer is on, it opens about that much to allow the air to vent. And when it's off, it just simply closes with gravity. And it's very easy to work. But if you're extra concerned, which many people are, we have this product that can go inside there and keep everything out as far as birds and so forth. It's called a dryer vent insert guard. So you can keep birds and squirrels out. Then you really are taking care of the situation. These veins that come up and down or sideways, they do not qualify as a screen because there's nothing going across to hold the lint. It can catch a little bit of lint, but it's nothing like an actual screen. So if you have any other questions about any of our services, just give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out at rochestercarpetcare.com, Pinnacle Eco Clean. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.